Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Siti Aininanda Alifka from PBIA. I will explain about my answer for several questions. Question number 1. In your opinion, is there any relationship between language and human mind?
Yes, there is a close relationship between language and the human mind. Language is not just a tool for communication, but also a reflection of how we think. Psycholinguistics, an interdisciplinary field combining psychology and linguistics, studies this connection. It explores how the mind processes language, enabling us to produce and understand both spoken and written communication. This field examines how the brain stores and organizes language components such as pronunciation, vocabulary, grammar, and meaning. It also looks at how we use these elements in real-time communication. For example, when we speak or write, our mind quickly selects the right words and structure them into meaningful sentences. Similarly, when we listen or read, our mind decodes and interprets the information, making sense of what others are saying.
Number 2. What do you know of psycholinguistics from online sources perspective?
Oxford Learner's Dictionary says it's the study of how we process and produce language in our minds. Vocabulary.com takes it further, explaining that it looks at the mental skills that help us use language well, like how we form sentences or understand what someone is saying. Dictionary.com highlights that psycholinguistics is also about the relationship between language and the way we think and behave. In simple terms, psycholinguistics help us understand what happens in our minds when we speak, listen, read, or write.
Number 3. What do you know of psycholinguistics from expert view?
Experts describe psycholinguistics as the study of what goes in our minds when we use language. According to Warren 2013, it's about how we think and process words, whether we are speaking, understanding, or remembering them. Hawley 2014 adds that it looks at how we understand, produce, and recall language when we listen, talk, read, or write. Norquist 2019 says psycholinguistics is all about the mental side of language and how our brain handles it. Basically, it's about understanding what happens in our heads when we communicate, whether we're chatting with a friend or reading a book.
Number 4. From the two sources of psycholinguistics concept, which view do you support most?
I support the expert view because they provide a deeper understanding of how language functions in the mind. They highlight the complex processes involved in producing and understanding language, showing that communication is more than just exchanging words. This perspective emphasizes the role of memory and cognitive function, which are crucial for effective communication. Additionally, expert view reveal the dynamic nature of language use across different contexts, illustrating how various factors influence our understanding and producing of language.
Number 5. What are the advantages of learning psycholinguistics according to the perspective of language teaching and learning?
Psycholinguistics is essentially the psychology of language. It helps us understand how our brain processes language, from the moment we hear a new word to when we form a complex sentences. By understanding these processes, we can design more effective language teaching methods, and also we can tailor teaching strategies, enrich learning materials, and improve assessment that it can help identifying specific areas where learners need more support.
That's all from me. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.